ElectraCast.
The Hilton sale is on. Now through September 29th, you can save up to 20% on stays this fall and beyond. Long weekends, last-minute getaways, holiday gatherings. There's a Hilton stay for all of them. More moments, more experiences, more destinations. Now 20% off for a limited time because it matters where you stay. Don't wait. Book by September 29th and save up to 20% at Hilton.com. Terms apply. Hilton for the stay.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for September 23rd, 2025.
Today, NASA is preparing for a major launch from Kennedy Space Center. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket will carry the Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, or IMAP, along with NASA's Carruthers Geocorona Observatory and NOAA's Space Weather Follow-on Lagrange 1 spacecraft. Liftoff is targeted for 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, with launch coverage beginning at 6:40 a.m. on NASA Plus and other platforms. Weather forecasts are 90% favorable. After launch, the Falcon 9 will complete stage separations and deploy the 3 spacecraft, with IMAP expected to reach orbit about 1 hour and 23 minutes after liftoff. Meanwhile, NASA's OSIRIS-APEX spacecraft flew within about 2,100 miles of Earth, performing a gravity assist maneuver to adjust its speed and trajectory as it continues its mission. In orbit, NASA's Starlink 1.5 Plus mission is testing autonomous spacecraft swarms. Using new software, the satellites can make decisions, share data, update systems, and coordinate observations without constant human oversight, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and deep space. Back on the International Space Station, Expedition 73 crew members focused on science and maintenance. Astronauts exercised to counteract microgravity's effects, conducted eye exams, upgraded computer networks, prepared the SpaceX Dragon for emergencies, and performed environmental monitoring and Earth observations. On Mars, the Curiosity rover explored ridges and hollows, analyzing bedrock and fractured rocks, while capturing close-up and panoramic images. The rover also collected environmental data and for the first time imaged rocks 90 kilometers beyond the crater rim, helping scientists understand the planet's geological history and potential water-bearing minerals. And finally, NASA introduced its 2025 astronaut candidate class. Selected from over 8,000 applicants, these new astronauts will train for nearly 2 years before joining missions in low Earth orbit, the Moon, and Mars, supporting the agency's long-term human exploration goals. Those were the key activities for NASA on September 23, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I Say.
I'm Iris, and for over 5 years I've been chasing Dracula. Actually, make that Draculits. From the recently discovered Lost Nordic versions of Bram Stoker's famous novel. Learn the truth in the Powers of Darkness podcast from Or Whatever Movies. Rising from the Dead, October 2025.